What is up? It's MTG of MTG Reviews. Yeah, I'm a Chiefs fan, as I mentioned in the last video. So today I'll be taking you through the sound system of the Polo, the new sound system. It's been fitted with the new sound system. So yeah, we'll be going through the installation and yeah, what kind of sound system is here. Let's get to it. So this is gonna be a quick video and we'll cover the cost at the end of the video as well. As I said, this is the VW POLO AW Highline, which actually already comes with a good enough sound system, but yeah, it needs some improvement. So it comes with 4 mid-range speakers with 2 tweeters at the front at the A pillar, and that's just about it. So the goal is to improve on that. Better mid drivers, better tweeters, and actually adding a sub as well. So we went for the JBL Club 6500C, which actually comes with tweeters. So we bought 2 pairs for the front and back. For the sub, we went with the 8-inch Star Sound sub. And the amplifier is a Power Base Warhead 4.275, rated at 12,000 watts. And we have a crossover, which is a Star Sound crossover. And the wiring is all copper. So the door cards were removed to access all the speakers in the car, obviously. Such a simple thing. And then we removed the ones that came with the car and then put in the new JBLs. So if you want to know about the ins and outs of the wiring, I don't know how to do that, or I don't know how it works. You can just check another YouTube video if you're looking for that. I'm not a sound technician or a sound engineer, but I can plug you with the guy who worked on the Polo. I'll plug him at the end of the video as well. So we installed the amplifier and the crossover and then put back everything as it was. And yeah, everything was just about done. What was left was tuning the sound. So for tuning the sound, we did that the next day. But then it was not tuned to the standard that I liked. So the tweeter was a bit overpowering. So it overpowered the mids. It was just basically quantum sound. It was tweeter and then it was just the bass, which is not good. The mids were overpowered by the tweeters. So yeah, it however got tuned properly at Auto Style. Yeah, Auto Style, you can just go check them out. I think they charge 200 for that to basically check everything, how the sound is. And yeah, now it sounds crazy good. It actually sounds better than any other Polo that I've been in. And I've been in, yeah, the Polo that has the Beats. It actually sounds good. It's the Beats one is better than the standard one. But then this one is just on a different level. That's why when you're in the process of buying a Polo, I'd suggest that you skip the Beats sound system if you're really an audiophile. Just skip that and then buy a good aftermarket sound system, which you can just buy JBL mids. There's quite a lot. There's quite a lot that you can choose from. As I told you, these ones are the Club 6500C, which are good. And yeah, just skip buying or opting for the Beats and then just install this one. And here's how it sounds. And take note, it's only gonna sound as good as the device you're listening from. If you're listening it from the phone, your speaker is gonna be representing the sound, in which is obviously different from how the sound is. I don't know if you get me. I'd recommend using earphones, but yeah, man, sound tests are just one of the weirdest things or the hardest thing to do, because you can't really reproduce the sound as is. As even my microphone is limited that I was recording from my phone, it can't capture everything, so you just need to hear it. But yeah, I tried. Now to the cost. The JBL Club 6500C for a pair is 1,800. With some you can get it for lower, but yeah, 1.8. So we bought two, and that rounds up to 3,600. And the Star Sound subwoofer is at 1,950 rands, which is actually quite fair. It's a actually powerful subwoofer. It's rated at 8,000 watts, and the amplifier is 1,900 rands, and then the crossover is actually cheaper at 550 rands. Oh, and there's the high to low converter, which is about 150. Is the cheapest thing here. And the wiring actually is 900 rands. As I said, it's all copper. So that actually all totals to 9,050 rands. And there's labor as well. And that will depend on the negotiation skill. So yeah, or who does it for you. But then I can just estimate it for you at maybe 1.5, 1.4, just around there. I'm not too sure. Yeah, it depends on the negotiation skill. So yeah, he had the contacts of the brewer who installed it for me. You can just hit him up, and then yeah, he does a good job. And until the next one, tango.